Time is the one resource you can never earn back, and most people quietly waste hours every single week on repetitive tasks that AI agents can now handle for them automatically. In 2026, you can delegate huge parts of your week to AI and reclaim that time for what actually matters. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to set it up, even if you are not technical at all. Think about your typical week. How many hours disappear into tasks that are necessary but mind-numbing? Sorting email, drafting the same kinds of messages, researching things, planning and organizing, updating documents, chasing details. These tasks are not hard, but eat your time relentlessly, and that time is gone forever. Here is what most people have not realized yet. AI agents, systems that do not just answer questions, but actually carry out multi-step tasks, can now take a large portion of this work off your plate entirely. In this video, I will show exactly how to use them to reclaim hours every week. More free time to earn, build, rest, or simply live. Let us get into it. Welcome back to Wealth AI, where UK personal finance meets AI tools to help you build real wealth. If you are on YouTube, subscribe. If you are on Rumble, please follow the channel. It genuinely helps us grow. New videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Let me be concrete about what is genuinely delegatable. Email, drafting replies, summarizing long threads, sorting what needs your attention from what does not. Research, gathering information, comparing options, summarizing findings into a clear answer. Writing, first drafts of documents, messages, posts, and reports. Planning, organizing your week, breaking big goals into steps. Scheduling, also admin, turning messy notes into organized documents, extracting key information from files, creating checklists and templates. And learning, explaining anything you need to understand, quickly and patiently. None of these require you to be technical. You simply describe what you need in plain English, and the AI handles it. The hours these tasks consume add up to a part-time job's worth of time for many people. Start simple. Open a capable AI like Claude, which is free to begin and linked in the description. The key skill is learning to delegate to it clearly. Instead of doing a task yourself, pause and ask, could I describe this well enough for an AI to do it? Usually the answer is yes. For example, instead of spending 20 minutes writing an email, tell the AI the key points and the tone you want, and let it draft it in seconds. Instead of an hour researching something, ask the AI to research and summarize it for you. The shift is from doing every task yourself to directing the AI to do it and then reviewing the result. That single shift in habit is what unlocks the hours. Start with one task type this week and build from there. Email and admin are where most people lose the most time, so target them first. Use AI to draft your routine replies. You provide the gist, it writes the message, you review and send. Use it to summarize long email threads so you grasp them in seconds rather than minutes. Use it to turn your scattered notes into clean, organized documents. For repetitive admin that follows the same pattern every time, you can go further and connect AI into automation tools, as we have covered on this channel, so the task happens automatically without you even starting it. But even just using AI to assist with email and admin manually saves most people several hours a week immediately with zero technical setup. Research is a huge time sink that AI handles brilliantly. Whenever you need to understand something, compare options, or gather information, delegate it. Ask the AI to research the topic and give you a clear summary with the key points and recommendations. What would take you an hour of reading and tab juggling, it delivers in moments. Planning too becomes effortless. Ask the AI to help you plan your week, break a big project into manageable steps, or organize your priorities. It acts as a thinking partner that helps you get organized faster than doing it alone. The combination of delegating research and planning alone reclaims a surprising amount of mental energy and time, freeing you to focus on the decisions and actions that genuinely need you. As you get comfortable, you build a personal system. You start to instinctively recognize which tasks to hand to AI and which genuinely need your human judgment. You keep your tools organized. A workspace like Notion, linked in the description, helps you manage everything in one place. And gradually, AI becomes woven into your routine, quietly handling the repetitive work in the background. The goal is not to remove yourself from your life. It is to remove the drudgery, so your time and energy go to the things that actually matter to you and that only you can do. People who build this system well reclaim 10 or more hours a week. That is 10 hours you can pour into earning more, building something, or simply living better. Time is the real wealth, and this is how you buy it back. So that is how to use AI agents to save hours every week in 2026. Identify the repetitive tasks draining your time. Delegate them to a capable AI by describing what you need. Target email and admin first. Put research and planning on autopilot and build it into a personal system. The result is hours of your week handed back to you. Your action this week. Pick the single most repetitive task in your week and delegate it to Claude just once. Experience how much time it saves, then expand from there. Claude is free and linked below. Hit the like button if this gave you your time back. Subscribe on YouTube, follow on Rumble. Next video, we close this batch on the finance side with a powerful how-to on building genuine financial freedom from an ordinary UK salary. Drop a comment below. What task are you going to hand to AI first? I read every single one. I am wealthai. You cannot make more time, but you can stop wasting it, and AI agents are how. And this is just the beginning.